Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video as we continue with our new episode of discussions learning through online, that's YouTube. Today I'll be taking you through on how to deal issues concerning Excels. Majorly if you say Excel, so Excels, these are the programs normally it is used for manipulating actual computing work in organizations, in schools, everywhere you go. Actually, also in accounting, that is the accountants. Mostly they use to publish their work. They use Excel, Microsoft Excel, for manipulating, for calculating, and doing all the figures around. Sure, allow me to take you through on how to use it. I will first go to Excel, then you open so that we see, then we appreciate. In Excel, if you see critically, these are, if you move this side, these are called rows. And then you come this side downwards, vertical downwards, those are columns. Now, assuming we're having some work here, assuming we're having these passionates or squad things in the end of term. So, we're going to make this uh, more vividly and more understandable. First of all, we know that Excel is all about for calculating, and for you to start calculating, what you have to bear in your mind is calculating also always starts with equal sign. They always start with equal sign. They always start with equal sign. So, uh, if you go, you first rush to reference. That's easy. If we are adding up average, you add up and then you come up with the number of students, actual number of the marks, not of students. You add them one by one. So we are doing the total. We are going manually. The first one is this one. Then you add this one. You add this one. You add this one. Then you put enter. This is the total for this one. Then you drag it downwards. That is the total. And then now there is also function that is total functions. This is where you use the formula. And then if you want, still you can come. Then you just drag it up to here. Assuming this is our, we use formula, function, not formula but function. We drag it from here to here, put enter. Now let's go to average. Average means the total and then divide by the number of the individuals. So we are going to put this one. First of all, you have to make sure that it is in bracket. If you put them in bracket, then it is okay. Put this one plus. That's when you use the formula. That's when you use the formula. How many are here? There are 4 over 4. Then you drag it downwards around there. Then if you use function, you just say equation, then average. That's when you put average. You put average. This one, then you drag it this side. That's how it is, the average and the average formula and then the average function. Functions, these are the predefined formulas. They are natural, they are found in the computers. But formulas, you just go manually. So you can do any sorts of things uh, using this Excel. Sure, I don't need to stop here as we continue with our new updates. Please subscribe and let's continue with our videos. Thank you.